It was the first time I'd worked with Catherine Bigelow. I'd seen her previous films, and they were reasonably sparse. I mean, but there was something about the quality of being in the place, as particularly the sniper scene in the Hurt Locker, where they get pinned down in the desert by these unseen snipers.
Yeah?
3 meters higher.
I'm going to adjust. I can't get further.
I felt this has got to be pared right back, and to cover that scene and other scenes, myself and my sound assistant went out into the desert, just recording what sounds are there in the desert. Sometimes very, very subtle insect sounds and things that a crew would actually disturb. But we went out on a rest day, and we actually just concentrated on those subtle things that usually get missed. Basically, I tried to supply everything that they would need were there no music. You know, I tried to say that, yes, you could run this without music and it would still work.